Hello everyone, welcome back to Modern Creative Channel. In this video we will explore the process of repairing the largest hydraulic cylinder ever. As we explore, we will discuss how to repair hydraulic cylinders properly and with maximum efficiency. Hydraulic cylinders appear very commonly in machinery, especially in excavators. It is very important for their performance. When a hydraulic cylinder fails, you need to repair it quickly and accurately. Each type of hydraulic cylinder has different complexity, but in general the hydraulic cylinder repair process seems quite simple. However, in order for the repair to be done correctly the first time, we need to keep a few important aspects in mind. The hydraulic cylinder is a part that is often exposed to a dusty environment, while the inside of the hydraulic cylinder itself needs to be kept absolutely clean. So the very first step is to clean the equipment and cylinder before disassembling the cylinder. This helps prevent dust, oil, grease and similar debris from entering the cylinder unit. Repairs should be carried out in a clean space, preferably hydraulic cylinders should be disassembled and repaired separately in the workshop. In some emergencies, when cylinders need to be repaired in the field, maintenance and repair in an area with as little dust and moisture as possible is preferred. There are many types of cylinders of varying sizes and complexity, and the repair process depends on which type is involved. The most common types of cylinders are wire rings or threaded ends, and in the case of threaded cylinders, set screws or locking rings. However, for any type of hydraulic cylinder, special care should be taken that during repair, all components must be cleaned in petroleum-based solvents, blown dry with compressed air, and prior to repair. Their installation must be coated with hydraulic fluid. When it comes to repair and maintenance of threaded head hydraulic cylinders or wire ring cylinders, there are a number of things in common that both processes have. For example, if you find it difficult to push the cylinder back in due to pressure, chances are the inlet valves need to be loosened a bit. In addition, polished surfaces need to be carefully inspected, seals should always be replaced after they have been removed, and specific torque values should be used when tightening assemblies. Important part. Ultimately, incorrect reassembly of hydraulic cylinders or incorrect sealing of seals can lead to serious and costly damage. When inspecting hydraulic cylinder components for damage, it is important not only to resolve the damage, i.e., polish or resurface, or replace the relevant parts, but to correct the problem. Trying to figure out why the failure happened in the first place. If the repair is done without tracking down the cause of the problem in the first place, given enough time, the repair will just be repeated. An experienced technician can recognize the signs of common problems and find the source of the problem in addition to the necessary repairs being made. The hydraulic cylinder repair process involves attention to detail and careful visual inspection, both of which often require several years of experience to master. The majority of repairs, such as honing tubes and fabricating rods, are best performed by professionals. In addition, professionals have the skill to troubleshoot the root cause of the damage so that it can be addressed.